Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Brittney here, and I hope you guys are all doing super great. We are well within the new year now, well within a few days in, and I am here because we are going to be doing this makeup look today, the one that I aptly named Brown Smolder. Doesn't that sound like a book that would have like Fabio on the cover? He's in the mountains. He's chopping wood. There's a lady and she's like, brown smolder, right? You get it. I just wanted to do a very like warm, smoky eye, but something too that's not super hard. You don't need 1,000 million eyeshadows to do this look. You don't need like super special makeup skills, super easy to attain, and I used pretty affordable products. This is going to be a talk through video. It's going to be sped up. I hope to God that the lighting is good, because honestly, when you have a ring light, and if you have a ring light, you can totally relate to this. The light is so bright. I mean, it is like, it's so bright. It's like staring into the sun. So there is a viewfinder on my camera. It's like slightly this way, so I can look at it, but the light is so bright. I really can't tell if I'm like overexposed, if it's good lighting, if it's terrible lighting. So I'm just gonna apologize and hope we fall in the realm of, you know, being able to deal with this lighting. So yes, if you guys want to see how I got this look, if you guys want to see how I got this look today, please stay tuned and keep watching, and remember to tune back in with me every Wednesday and Sunday. Wednesday for videos like makeup, lifestyle, that kind of thing, and Sunday I do vlogs. So let's go ahead and just jump into it. Alright, hi guys, so let's go ahead and get into it. First thing I'm going to do is take this Morphe palette and lay down this lighter brown as a transition shade. This really helps warm up the crease, and it's really going to help us as we add some darker shadows into the mix. I'm listening to an audiobook and I just heard something so scandalous. Alright, so next we're going to take this deeper brown and go ahead and build up the deepness in the crease. It's important to take your time with this so that everything doesn't end up being just one big dark blob. This will add some really nice definition to your lid. Next, we're going to go in with this amazing Wet n Wild palette and take this dark brown. And this is going to be the basis for our brown smolder. Go ahead and place that all over the lid up until the start of some of your transition colors. Now I'm going to take that lighter brown and go ahead and really warm up the crease. I feel like this really smokes out the eye look and it makes it look super blown out, which is what I wanted. Next, we're going to go in with another dark shade from the Morphe palette. And we're just going to add a little bit of dark shadow to our lower lash line. We want to create some smokiness all around the eye, so this will help with that. This is when I realized I forgot to put concealer on, so we're going to do that real quick. Now we're going to take this lighter brown shade and I'm putting that in the inner corner because I didn't want a shiny highlight. I just wanted a lighter color to help blend in and bring those colors in, kind of meld everything together. Now we're baking. So cute. The bake face. Now we're going to go in with that darker color that's all over our lid and really use that to smoke out that bottom lash line. I'm going to go in with this new black Radiance liner that I just tried. So amazing. And I'm going to go ahead and line the waterline. As well as the upper lash line. Now I'm going in with a color called Camp by Bare Minerals, and I'm just spraying my brush with a little bit of Fix Plus because any type of pigment, when it's a little wet, it will intensify the pigment so much more. So that is what I'm putting on the lid to really highlight the lid. Now I'm taking a small shader eyeliner brush, or eyeshadow brush, sorry, and I'm just blending out that very soft black liner. And this is really going to smoke out the liner as well, which is going to add to the overall smokiness of the look. Little chapstick, and my favorite mascara right now, which is by Ulta. All products will be listed below. Brush away the bake. Through movie magic, we are finished with the face. So this is super cute, but if you want to make it just a little bit more awesome, you can add a little glitter to the inner corner. This adds a really pretty element, and it's just takes your eyeshadow look to the next level. So go ahead and put that on the inner corner, and if you wanted, you can even line your crease for some added flair. And that is the finished makeup look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.